When you've been at work all day, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen cooking an elaborate meal. Sometimes you just want to throw something together quick and easy. With this recipe, all you need to do is make a quick pit stop to the supermarket on the way home to grab a couple of basic ingredients and you'll have an amazing dish. Let's make this beautiful, easy chicken and rice salad on the One Pot Chef. First things first, to make our chicken and rice salad, we're obviously going to need some chicken. Now, the great shortcut thing about this recipe is you can just make a quick trip to the supermarket on the way home from work, grab yourself a ready cooked hot chicken from the deli department. That's what I did. I went and grabbed myself a nice big chicken and I've just stripped all the meat off the chicken and shredded it up roughly, just so it's in small bite-sized pieces. Now, what we're going to do is set this aside while we work on our other ingredients. And obviously we can't have a chicken and rice salad without rice, so what I've done is I've cooked 2 cups of brown rice in my rice cooker. Now, you don't need to use brown rice, you can use any rice you like. You can use white rice, you can use jasmine rice, you can use wild rice, whatever you happen to have. And if you want to do an ultra shortcut version of this recipe, you don't even have to cook the rice yourself. You can grab a couple of pouches of microwavable rice from the supermarket while you grab your chicken, and you can use that instead. They cook in the microwave in about 90 seconds. You can get plain rice, you can get flavoured rice, so you can end up changing up the flavours for this recipe with simple changes to the rice or the flavoured rice or the other little ingredients that we're going to be adding in. Now, I've cooked this rice, it's still warm. I just moved it about to fluff it up and separate the grains. I'm going to set this aside to cool slightly because you can have the choice of either doing this as a warm salad, which I'm doing today, or you can let the rice cool completely and do it as a cold salad. So I'll set this aside and we're going to work on our dressing. Into a little mixing jug, I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil today, but feel free to use regular olive oil if that's all you have on hand. I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, normally I would use fresh lemon juice, and you're more than welcome to do so, but the lemons at the supermarket today were not looking particularly inspiring, so I decided just to use the emergency backup, the fresh lemon juice out of a bottle. So not so fresh, but tastes just as good. I'm also going to add in 2 cloves of garlic, which has been minced up. I'm using the stuff out of the jar, but again, feel free to use fresh if you wish. I'm just doing this as a shortcut because this entire recipe is a massive shortcut, but boy is it yummy. Add in a little bit of salt and some pepper, and then just simply stir it up to combine. Right, time to start assembling our salad. I've transferred our warm rice into a salad bowl, and to that I'm going to add in some baby spinach leaves. It's a small bag, about 60 grams roughly. Now, this looks like a lot because look at the size of the leaves there, but what's going to happen is the heat from the rice is going to wilt them down slightly, so they will shrink. I'm also going to add in our chicken. I'm going to sprinkle over 2 spring onions, which I've just chopped up. And I'm going to add in these little baby mini tomatoes. They're about half the size of a cherry tomato, and they come in both yellow and red. They were just cheap at the supermarket, and I thought they would look good in this, so I'm just going to toss those into as well. And just using a couple of salad spoons, I'm just going to gently toss everything together to combine. Before we're done, we need to just carefully pour over our dressing. Just give that a bit of a drizzle over. There we go. And just gently toss that again, just to make sure that dressing goes through everything. And that's it, our easy chicken and rice salad, served warm and is absolutely amazing. I wish you could smell this. You've got this gorgeous aroma from the onion and from the garlic and of course the olive oil. This really is just so easy to throw together at the last minute. It's filling, it's delicious, and it's perfect for having for dinner and then having leftovers for lunch the next day. That looks absolutely sensational and the smell is gorgeous. All right, time to dive in and have a quick taste. Oh, it's so yummy. Grab some of that chicken. Yum. You've got so much going on with this. You've got the rice, which is nice and bulky and makes it feel like you're eating something substantial. It fills you up real quick. You've got the spinach that gives a nice burst of freshness to it. The tomatoes, again, lovely, sweet, slightly sour, and lovely sort of burst of juiciness. And of course that chicken, beautifully drenched in dressing with the garlic and the olive oil. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Check out my other videos at OnePotChefShow.com. And until next time, see you later. Like I said before, this recipe is infinitely variable. You can use different rice, you can use flavoured rice, you can change up the vegetables. If you're not a fan of tomatoes, you could replace them with, say, grated carrot, or you could drop in a few other salad leaves. You could add in some red onion diced up to have a bit more sharpness and sweetness to it. Really, you've got so many options with this. You can alter the dressing, you can add extra herbs and spices to that if you want to make something a little bit spicier. You've got all sorts of options. Get down into the comments section and let me know how you would make this salad. I love to hear your ideas. It always inspires me when I get to hear other people's versions of the recipes that I present. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.